It's a beautiful day. Yeah, so on this day, I decided to make spaghetti and potato. If you haven't tried this before, trust me, you will like it. Try it and thank me later. So, I've finished parboiling my spaghetti and my potato. So, I'm using sweet potato. You can even use average potato, but this time around, I think my kids they prefer sweet potato. Irish potato is not that sweet. So I think they prefer sweet potato. So I'm finished parboiling everything. My sweet potato, my Irish, and pasta. Yeah, I just mix it. So now I'm frying my spice, which is my sauce, right? So I'm frying my sauce, as you can see, putting the spices, the seasoning, the cube, and my sauce. Yeah, so I've added everything together. Now adding my water. Then after this, I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave the sauce to boil like some minutes. After some minutes, I'm pouring my spaghetti. I'm pouring the spaghetti and the potato. You can see. So I'm going to turn it like some minutes. Then after turning it to ram together, then I'll go ahead and cover it. I noticed that the water is not enough, so I added a little water. When I added the water, I have to still stir it so everything will run together. So guys, at this moment, our food is ready. Check it out now. How do you see? How did it look? It looks so yummy, right? Yeah, that is me cooking. So I have put for the organ in the flask. Now I'm putting for my 2 kids. Yeah, so the other one says she's not eating. That one, she's not a fond of spaghetti. So I'm putting for the ones that is ready to eat spaghetti. So maybe let her look for what she's gonna eat, as you can see. So see this Oga, small Oga is the one directing me. Yeah, he's the one that is in charge. He's directing me, telling me what to do and what not to do. Look at him there. He's even bringing plate for me to put. If you put for him,